To call Gunjan Panchtu. Please give a huge round of applause for her. All the best.
युवा राजनीति से दूर नहीं, युवा राजनीति से दूर नहीं, राजनीति को युवा से डर लगता है, क्योंकि जब युवाओं की सोच बदलती है तब देश की दिशा बदल जाती है, तब देश की दिशा बदल जाती है. Very warm good afternoon to everyone present here. My name is Gunjan Panchtu and I come from a beautiful village named Talgaon. Coming from a village, I have seen how political decisions shape real lives, our opportunities, our education and our future. And that is why this topic is deeply meaningful to me. Today, I stand before you to speak on youth participation in politics. Why the gap? We, the youth, are more aware, more educated and more connected than ever before. Yet, when it comes to politics, we step back, we hesitate, we disconnect. Why? Because there is a gap. A gap of trust, a gap of understanding and a gap of opportunity. First, the gap of trust. Politics has long carried the image of corruption and broken promises. Young people see this and think, is this where I belong? Slowly, we distance ourselves from the system that controls our future. But here's the truth. We call the politics dirty, but expect it to become clean without us ever entering it. Second, the gap of understanding. Schools teach us the definitions of democracy, but not how to practice democracy. We memorize civics, but no one teaches us how to question leaders, analyze policies, or understand how the governance work. Politics become something others do, not something we participate in. Third, the gap of opportunity. Political spaces are dominated by the older generation. Youth voices are encouraged, but rarely empowered. We are told to gain experience, but tell me, how will we gain experience if the doors never truly open? But history shows us something powerful. Every major movement, social, political or cultural, has always been led by the youth, because youth questions, youth challenges, youth transforms. The energy of the nation lives in its young people. The gap can be closed, but only by us. Not by complaints, not by silence, but by participation. By voting with awareness, by questioning with courage, by debating with logic, by stepping into spaces where decisions are made. Politics is not a battlefield. I repeat, politics is not a battlefield reserved for the corrupt. It is the heartbeat of democracy, and youth must be the oxygen. If we don't participate today, we surrender our tomorrow. Before I go, I would like to quote something. देश का भविष्य फाइलों में नहीं, देश का भविष्य फाइलों में नहीं, जागे हुए युवाओं के फैसलों में लिखा जाता है. युवा जाग जाए तो बदलाव तय है, और अगर हम ना जागे तो फिर किसी और के फैसले हम पर थोपे जाएंगे, तो फिर किसी और के फैसले हम पर थोपे जाएंगे. थैंक यू. हैव अ वंडरफुल डे अहेड.